Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Gemini crypto trading platform on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for Gemini Crypto Login. On the search results, you'll see the official website of Gemini Crypto. It is in the top of the list, so tap on it. After you are in the website of Gemini Crypto, in order to log into your account, here you can see the sign up option. Tap on it first. Now, you will be prompted to the sign up page of Gemini Crypto. But we are looking to log in, so we need to find the login option. If you scroll down to the bottom, here you can see the sign in option. Tap on it. Now you are in the login page of the Gemini Crypto. Here you can enter your registered email address and your password of this account, and you'll be able to log in. So enter your email and your password, and once you enter your account credentials, you can tap on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Gemini Crypto account. After logging in, you will be able to explore the features of Gemini Crypto and do your tradings. So that's it. That's how you can log into your Gemini Crypto account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.